Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new video. It is my Boxy Charm unboxing from July and August. I know, I'm super late to the game, but my July box didn't get to me until August 13th, no, August 3rd, and my August box just got to me on Friday. So I don't know how I'm feeling about Boxy Charm right now. It's not that it's their fault due to the whole pandemic. But they're shipping out later. Like usually they would be like within the first week, your box is out for shipping. This last August one, it didn't go for shipping until like the 15th. So I don't know if I want to continue getting them or whatnot. I think I might just purchase a 6-month and then call that quits after that. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Should I continue getting Boxy Charm? Should I take a break until COVID is over? Let me know. So this is my July box. I already opened it because I wasn't planning to film, but I was like, you know what, let me film. So back in July, side story, they had sent out a coupon for like $12, $10 or something to purchase something. So I purchased the Illumis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Comes with 60. So they're like a, I think they're like a, they're like an exfoliator to help with acne, hyperpigmentation, problematic skin, such. So I got that because I really like my first A Beauty ones. I just finished one container. I have one container left. I thought this would be a good try, seeing I had the credit, and why not? Now into my July box. So for July, it was Sunshine. Bam, bam, bam. And in it, I got the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Watermelon, green tea, pineapple, it says. That's what the packaging looks like. It is $49.95. And this is what the packaging looks like. I'm all about those brightening serums, especially because of how wearing masks have like destroyed my skin. Like I'm constantly breaking out here and here because of where that sits and whatnot. It says this is a super potent vitamin C brightening booster. Supercharges your cream or serum to firm brighten the appearance of skin while naturally gives a younger, regenerated look. Like I said, it retails for $49, so I'm excited for that. Anything to help brighten the skin, leaving it looking flawless and extra and beautiful. Love it. Next in here is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpt Pencil. I got it in soft brunette. I feel like Boxy Charm is really not paying attention to folks and their stuff because in the June box, I got a tinted moisturizer in a fair shade. Homegirl, I'm black. You sent me a black foundation like 3 months prior, so I don't know. But funny story, so it's soft brunette. I don't know how that's gonna work for me. I don't know. But prior to that, Sephora had a Sephora sale in like the middle of July, which I will do a haul on because I just got my VIB stuff, like this recent VIB silk stuff, where you spent like $100, got $25 off or something like that, I don't know. So I had bought it in like the mini in a dark brunette. So we'll see how this works in the soft brunette. I don't know. This retails for 28 bucks. Just a brow pencil. Then there is the Clean Canvas Cushion Primer. It says pink, color corrects dark spots and circles, 12 plus hours makeup elongation, luscious liquid formula. This retails for $20. It's pink. I don't know how it's gonna look, but this is what it looks like. It's in the color pink. Has a little applicator. Haven't opened it yet, but we'll see if it's something I can work with and like layer with, depending on how pink it is. Like I said, that's $20 though. Next in here, I got the Ace Beauté Blushed in Paradise palette. It is $30. It's really pretty packaging. I do like the eyeshadows that I have from them. And these are the colors. I'm pretty sure that these colors will work on me. Minus that one might be a little too ashy tone, but we'll see. I think I can make these three at least work. If not, I can give it to my little sister because she's fairer than me. Well, at least one of them is, so we'll see how it goes. So, like, ugh, I hate when they come with little plastic stuff and you try to put it back together and it doesn't want to go. Like I said, that retails for $30. Then, the last item in here is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. It is in the color Pixie. Looks like this. There we go. It's a very nude tone, like very nude. Like I would not put that on my cheeks by any means because that would not go well. It could be a pretty like everyday nude color, like lip color though. We'll see. I'll try it out. I haven't tried anything from the Nude Sticks brand, so we'll see. This retails for $26. So that was what was in my July box. Let's get on to my August box. So that was July. This is my August box. It came with a card, and this one says Spa Glamping Sunbathe Yoga Summer. That's what this card looks like. I honestly haven't even been watching YouTube videos on what people unbox because I really haven't been in the mood. First thing I see in here is a Morphe. I got this 4-piece brush collection. I do quite enjoy the Morphe brushes. This retails for $12. Comes with 4 brushes. They don't have numbers or anything on them, but these are what they look like. These would be like good, like detailed crease brushes, packer, under your brow, concealer, kind of jazz. Does it say what brushes it comes with? It comes with an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. So for $12, that's not a bad deal brush-wise. Next is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. This retails for $26. It's in number 3 Velvet Red. Looks like this is like a squeeze tube. Oh, it's like one of these kind of applicators. Those are nice. I do like Clarins products, so I'm intrigued to see how this works out. I haven't worn Clarins in a hot minute, though. And like I said, that's $26. Next in here is the Trestique Summer Glow Plus Go Summer Mini Essential Set. Looks like this. This retails for $42. It comes with 4 items. This is the mini highlight stick and Maldives Luminescent. This is the mini blush in Moroccan Rose. This is a mini shadow crayon in Tahitian Summer. And this is a mini brow pencil in Americano. So we'll see how those go. You know, it's always nice to have like new things to try out. Like I said, that was $42. Next, this is the item that I got to pick, was the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Fat Moisturizer. This retails for $54. I like Glam Glow products. I'm always about getting them in my boxes. And it says apply evenly to clean face and neck morning or night as part of your usual skincare routine. It says a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega-rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defense against environmental assault. This soothing formula is with hyaluronic acid, is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief from skin stress. So this will be great to try out because I am running out of my moisturizers, which I will be doing an empties video real soon because I have a lot of skincare and random stuff to share with y'all. If I were to purchase. So I'm excited to try this because, moisturizers are good. And then the last thing in here is the Big Fat Liner Kohl Marker Pen. And this is from Rocking Cosmetics. It retails for $25. I'm not going to open it. It's like an eyeliner, it seems. It says, always start your eye look with your big fat liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes. So this is what it looks like. Can never have too many eyeliners because eyeliners are big. So yeah, that's this quick Boxy Charm unboxing. Well, two. I'm hoping my September Luxe box will be good and comes at a decent time. Fingers crossed. But we'll see. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe. My name is Shalicia, and I'm just getting back into the swing of things by filming more regularly. So if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in another one real soon. Bye, y'all.